Hey, what's up guys? So today we have another custom ROM for our Samsung Galaxy A5 2016. Last time I have reviewed Android 11 based ROM, but this time we have Android 12 based ROM, and I kind of surprised the performance actually is putting out. So this time we have Lineage OS based on Android 12, and surprisingly the ROM is working perfectly fine. I haven't found any kind of major issue on this ROM, and is a perfect usable ROM actually. So let's check out what we are getting with this ROM. So the ROM is booted up, as you can see here, Lineage OS, and let's unlock and check what we are getting. So first of all, if you go to setting and about device, so as you can see here, Android 12 and Lineage OS 19. The security patch level is from 2022, but it doesn't matter because it's pretty old device. In terms of UI, it's pretty much same as stock UI. It is pretty much same as even Android 14 because there is no major changes among Android 12, 13 or 14. In terms of network, internet and NFC, everything is working perfectly fine. As you can see here, I have already connected to my Wi-Fi, and even NFC is also working. If you go to Bluetooth section, as you can see, NFC is there. It takes a little more time to turn on, but it's turned on and it works actually. So as you can see, NFC is also working, and nearby share is also working. So these things are working perfectly fine. It's kind of surprising that this device still can run Android 12. So basically it's pretty much usable ROM. And in terms of battery, it's amazing for battery too actually. Last time I charged my device, actually I don't really know when I charged the device. I just kept it like this, but still we have 60%. I did watch YouTube videos and other things on this device. Everything works actually. And in terms of sound and vibration, so those things are working. And wallpaper and style. One thing which is not available on this ROM is customization. So there is no customization available on Lineage OS, so you can't really do much in terms of customization. You are pretty much stuck with the look whatever you're getting with the ROM. So in terms of customization, there is nothing, but the ROM is working perfectly fine. In terms of security, we are not getting any face unlock here, but the fingerprint unlock actually working perfectly fine, no issue with that. So if I unlock it, so as you can see here, it's pretty fast actually. It works almost every time, no issue with that. So fingerprint is working, but there is no face unlock. If you like to make pattern lock stronger, you can do that too actually. So if you go to pattern section, you can choose 3x3, 4x4, 5x5 and 6x6. That also available. Rather than that, in terms of setting, there is nothing much. It's pretty much same as other ROMs. And as you can see here, there is not a lot of going on in terms of application. This ROM did not come with any kind of GF, so you have to flash GF separately. As you can see here, I did install few application here, and also I installed Free Fire. Usually I don't really play Free Fire and I have no idea about that, but still I did install. And if you go to safety net section, safety net is not working as expected. So safety net is not there, so you can't really use any kind of bank apps here. And if you go to Play Store, let's check the security. Maybe we can check about. So device certification is not there, but there is no issue about that. You can still download all the application, no issue. As you can see, pretty fast, pretty smooth, and surprisingly well optimized ROM. And as you can see here, everything is working perfectly fine, no issue with that. Phone calls and Bluetooth and everything, so kind of amazing. In terms of camera, we are getting Snapdragon camera, which does work perfectly fine, no issue with that. As you can see here, you can take pictures and record video without any kind of issue. One thing which is not available on this ROM, which was available on the ROM I have reviewed last time, is unlimited photo storage on Google Photos. As you can see here, we don't have that feature here, so that is one of the downside if you want to use this ROM. In terms of usability, the ROM is perfectly usable, no issue. Battery backup is really good, the performance is really good, so it's pretty much a really good ROM actually based on Android 12. Yes, it's a little slower than Android 11 I have reviewed because this one is a little bit heavier ROM, so that is why actually it's a little slow, but the ROM is perfectly fine, works flawlessly, no issue with that. The ROM link will be in the description below with GFs, so if you want to flash this ROM, you can flash it. It's a usable ROM. So that's all about Android 12 for Samsung Galaxy A5 2016. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.